nakita ko to noong... Ito yung Harbor Bridge, Shell, di ba?
Oh, dito. Ito Anzac Bridge.
Ah, ito yung Anzac Bridge.
Are we passing that?
Oh, we passing this last on the 21st.
When you arrive?
Yeah. Anzac Bridge pala to. Anzac Bridge. Okay lang ba siya? Mag-video ako?
Okay lang.
This is... We're passing through the Anzac Bridge.
That's a dark Harbor Bridge.
Cold tank.
Di ba na nakisama yung weather, umulan?
Kaya nga, sabi nga nila, dapat na yesterday. So,
No.
baka di mo siya pwede.
Oh, may cruise, oh.
Ay,
Cruise ba yan?
Mag-ferry tayo dito. Pag nag-ferry ka kasi, you can, I forgot my,
What?
my auto car. But it's okay, I can use my
You can
auto car.
tap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you
I've got
your auto
the
car?
Bank West. I've got the ING. I've got the Opel card.
Anzac Bridge. Yan ang Anzac Bridge. Yung size ng Melbourne, double ang size ng Sydney. No? Maliit lang yung Melbourne eh.
Sydney's big,
Sydney is
Yeah,
bigger.
twice
but not.
Not much. Pero dito in terms of
population.
no, in terms of like the city vibe,
Mas maganda yung Melbourne.
Yeah. Even the shopping centers. Sydney is more of like it's a city.
Big
but,
country town.
yeah, but it's actually quieter than don't say Melbourne. Melbourne.
Melbourne.
How to pronounce it correctly?
Melbourne.
Melbourne, like that?
But fellows, when I used to talk to them, they would say, Rachel, why do you say Melbourne? It's Melbourne.
Oh, Philippines.
Brisbane.
Brisbane.
Yeah, like Brisbane. While Canberra, they pronounce it Canberra.
Canberra. Yeah. Dapat mabilis.
Yeah. While Filipino, we want it Canberra.
Canberra. We pronounce everything.
Alam mo, Shell,
Same as the Germans.
in my 16 years sa Singapore, yung accent ko is nagiging British na.
British.
Yeah.
Kasi so tita, they're not the first
No.
Aussie that you work with.
No, that's the second one.
Pero nung dun sa first mo, nagpunta ka rin dito or hindi?
Hindi, this is the first time.
Paano mo sila?
Actually, Sydney sila, yung first ko is Sydney. Originally from Sydney. Pero karipot sila, hindi nila ako maisama. Yeah. Now, after this, we're going to, next month, we're going to Bali, Indonesia.
Bali.
And then after that, May, we're going to Hong Kong. And then,
They have a lot of free time.
yeah.
Is it for work? Did they travel
Yeah,
for work?
they travel for work. And they have a lot of leave,
Leave from
both of them. So,
saan sila nag-work dito na company? Dito yung work ko nila, is it for an Australian company?
yung mom ko is Spotify, American company.
Spotify.
While yung sir ko is ANZ Banking.
ANZ.
Yep.
Okay.
So, from New York, pinadala siya sa Singapore.
Oo.
Tapos, di ba ANZ is owned by Australia, New Zealand.
Oo.
So, meron kaming branch, meron silang branch sa Singapore. Meron din sa Philippines, sa may Quezon City. So, pag nagta-travel sila is, business travel. Siyempre, meron ding kasamang gala.
Oo. The same din kami, pagka nasa Germany kami, nag-work din ako.
Work at home naman eh.
Work at home ako. Tapos sa Pinas din, pag nasa Pinas ako. Kaya last year,
Anong work mo dito, Shell?
dito ko tita, bid management. Sa mga kontrata, sa akin,
Ikaw nagbibid?
ako ang nag-i-screen. Tapos ako ang nagsumasagot sa mga kontrata. Halimbawa yung company, may request sila, maraming questions, like 2,000 questions.
So ikaw yung in charge?
Oo, may team ako, pero ako pa rin yung magmamahal.
Pero ikaw yung head
Oh,
ng
show you
team.
your work.
Yeah. Is it here?
This town
May
hall
KFC
station.
din dito.
But we'll do a stop later.
This is Bathurst Street.
Region.
Oh, this is the corner where Ed always wants to have KFC.
Food hall, of
Yeah.
course. Exactly.
Anong lugar na to, Shell?
Sa city na to, tita.
Ito na yung city. Ay, ayun yung train nila.
Metro.
Yan yung metro.
Light rail.
This is light rail.
Yeah, that's one. Later we'll try that.
Iba pa rin yung metro, iba pa rin yung light
No, we're
rail.
gonna take the metro.
Yung metro, tita, sa ilalim ako.
Sa Singapore naman, ang metro, merong sa ilalim, merong sa ibabaw. Have you been to Singapore, Dan?
Yeah,
Uh,
a couple of times.
It's very nice, right?
Last time we were there for, was it 2 nights or just 1 night?
Kailan kayo napunta doon?
It's just too humid for me.
When did we went there? Last year?
Before Christmas.
Before Christmas.
Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin?
Nagpunta kami dito. Tapos sa August, may stopover ulit kami kasi pagpunta namin ng Germany.
Ilang oras ang stopover nyo? Ilang araw? One day?
One night lang. Darating yata kami before 5. Tapos kinabukasan pa yung flight namin.
So doon lang kayo sa hotel ng
Pupunta kami sa, napunta kami sa Marina Bay. Nag-dinner lang. Tapos, syempre, tawang-tawa siya kasi when we just arrived at the airport, I ordered Jollibee straight away. Tapos pinadeliver ko sa hotel. Wala akong internet. Galit na galit ako kasi ko, paano kaya ako nito yung food ko nasa lobby na?
Di ba may hotel internet? Hindi kayo maka-access?
Hindi na, nasa taxi kami from the airport. Kasi
Okay.
nakita ko parang 10 minutes away lang kami yung hotel namin. Kasi order na ako ng Jollibee. Kasi hindi ko alam, tita, yung Jollibee pala,
Sa airport lang?
nasa labas lang ng hotel na pinagstayan namin.
Ah.
Stay kami sa may Fraser.
Sa Changi Fraser?
Oo. Tapos doon lang pala yung Jollibee.
Sa may Changi.
Obsessed with Jollibee.
Obsessed with Jollibee. At tita, yun yung office ko. Katabi nung Hyde Park Inn.
Saan?
Yan, Hyde Park Inn.
Okay. Tapos yung opposite,
Yung katabi.
yung katabi niyan? Yung may,
Yan yung katabi ng 7-Eleven na building.
yung Kihar?
Yung sa between 7-Eleven and Kennedy.
Okay.
Sa taas naman. So ang train station, tita.
Opposite lang?
Opposite lang siya.
Dito nagtatrabaho yung pamangkin ko. So, city pala yung mo, ang office mo. Ito yung train station nila dito? Diyan ang museum station. They call it, yan ang railway museum station. Steel Street.
Dito din yung consulate. Philippine consulate.
Ito yung Philippine Consulate?
Dito part.
Ano to, Shell Church to?
That one, tita?
Oo.
Museum.
It looks like a
That's
museum.
the memorial. The Anzac Memorial.
Memorial.
That's the Anzac Memorial.
I think.
Lang kayo pala, di ba?
Pero lang ako binublock na naman pag-concert. Kasi bumili din sila. Pero sa akin, it's for
Anglican Church. This is, Anglican Church. Anglican and Catholic, same lang. This is the Bondi Junction.
Yeah, I thought that, I thought you mentioned something. That's
Bondi.
the part one where we used to walk.
We're going to Bondi Beach.
Yeah, that's a different one.
Bondi Beach.
Oh, yeah.
That's where also more fun.
Ang daming mga Anglican Church dito. Anglican Church tsaka Catholics para sa
Which one?
Let me just go through. Because it's pretty famous
But there's nothing
for weekend markets and stuff. For all the hits, you know.
like they do. I think they have pubs as well.
Yeah,
And stuff like that.
there's always
Yeah.
something.
So Maria used to tell me that
It's just not for us.
Yeah, we're going to Bondi Beach. Queen's Park Beach Cliff.
Would you like to grab something? I felt
Hindi na ulan dito sa Bondi
hindi.
Good!
Also, it's not very nice weather, which means there won't be a lot of people on the beach. Kasi if it's hot, like everyone's just lying down.
One is for the Brits. It's all red British. Sunburned.
Singapore, yung mga houses doon, yung mga condo, hindi sila pwedeng magpare-parehas ng style. Otherwise, makakasuhan ang engineer and architect. Yan ang law ng Singapore. So, kailangan pag nagtayo ka ng condo is, kailangan meron kang sariling perspective. Oo, design, ganyan.
Yung house ko dito, hindi sila sa condo, diba? Parang sa house sila.
House cut sale. Yung last year, condo kami. Likod lang kami ng orchard. So, nasa main city talaga kami. Tapos, naliliitan sila. Kasi isang flat lang kami. Tapos, lumipat kami dito sa malapit lang din kami sa may MRT. Mga brisk walking is 5 minutes. So,
nagre-rent sila dito?
oo,
Or
11K a month.
11,000 or naman?
Tapos, hanggang 5th story siya.
For a house? No.
In Singapore? 5th story? Ang laki naman.
Oo, ang laki. Ang laki nga ng kwarto ko dun. Malaki yung mga bahay Singapore.
Tapos solo ka lang?
Oo, ako lang. Kaya nga tapos ngayong October, manganganak si babae. Yung babae ko parang di buntis, no?
Oo, abuntis siya.
Oo, ngayong October, manganganak siya. So, syempre, may increment. Pag hindi nila ako in-increasean.
Almost right.
It's not raining,
It's
right?
actually a lot better than what
Bomb is the meteorology, the weather thing.
Bureau of Metro. That's Sydney right there. Everyone's wearing some gym clothes.
Yung friend ko dito na teacher sa Singapore, may nanny din siya.
Oo.
Na ano sa agency din daw kinuha.
Ano yun siya? Per hour yun. Kasi
Hindi,
through
parang
agency.
monthly siya. Parang 700 nga daw monthly.
700 monthly. Ang liit.
Di ba no? Nga din sabi ko, parang baba.
Ang baba. First timer ngayon siya, 700 na.
Na 700.
Na nani.
Na nani. Kaya sino parang baba noon for Singapore, di ba?
Tapos kapag maganda, next nga ang ko apply ko sa diplomat kasi culinary graduate ako, di ba? So, diplomat ang susunod na apply ko kasi nagre-range ng 2 to 2.5.
Per month. Pero sila dito, okay naman sila.
Okay naman. Meron naman ako, kompleto naman ako ng benefits sa kanila tsaka yung mga bonuses.
Ang mga OZ, ano naman?
Ang mga OZ nagbibigay sila ng bonuses. Hindi lang sila ganun kagalante.
Oo.
Hindi katulad ng meron ako naging amo na Indian dati, galante.
Mga ganun.
Oo.
Sila din India.
Pero hindi naman ganun kataas ang sahod, pero galante sila.
Ito nga si Dan, sabi niya, he never worked for any company daw that gave like a bonus. Dito, kahit Christmas bonus, wala. Usually they get like, what did
13 month.
Wala. We don't have 13 months pay na bonus.
Dito sa Australia?
Pero ako, yung company ko, iba yung structure ng salary ko. Yung salary ko kasi is every September, nakakuha ako ng bonus.
Tapos may increment ka every
Tas
September.
every July,
Oo.
magtataas kami. Sila Dani, yung work nila, they don't get any bonus. Kaya sabi niya, swerte ka, lagi kung yung mga company mo, lagi kung mayroon akong bonus.
There's no money.
Yeah, they don't have money in company. Marami siya, he used to work with a lot of people.